This episode, I'm going to make Dal Makhani, which is a rich and creamy preparation of dal made out of black lentils and kidney beans. Soak the whole black lentils and kidney beans for at least 6 to 8 hours. Pressure cook it with 1 bay leaf for 3 to 4 whistles. If you don't have a pressure cooker, it'll take at least 45 minutes to boil. Add around 2.5 to 3 cups of water while pressure cooking. After pressure cooking, this is how the dal looks. I don't need this bay leaf anymore, so I'm going to get rid of it. And now I'm going to lightly churn this dal. And it's ready.
Let's start cooking. I'm going to heat half a tablespoon of butter first.
After the butter is melted, I'm going to add the onions. And I'm going to cook these onions till they are nice and brown. The onions have turned brown. And now I'm going to add the chopped tomatoes and the finely chopped green chillies. And let this cook through till the tomatoes are nice and soft. I'm going to add a little bit of salt so that it cooks faster. The tomatoes have cooked through, and now I'm going to add the dal. And now I'm going to add the cream, around half a cup of cream.
Give it a good mix. I'm also going to add a little bit of water because this dal thickens very quickly. So around 1 cup of water. I'm going to let it boil for at least 8 minutes. Let's add the salt for the dal. I had already added a little bit earlier. Give it a good mix. The dal has been simmering since 8 minutes and now I'm going to remove it from fire. The real flavor of the dal lies in the tadka, so let's make that. To remaining 1 tablespoon of butter.
Once the butter melts, I'm going to add the cumin seeds, the garlic paste, the ginger paste. Stir it well. Just saute it for around 30 seconds. And now I'm going to add the Asafoetida, Coriander Leaves, and the Kashmiri red chilli powder, which will bring out the color in the dal. It'll give you a nice, beautiful color. The tadka is ready now, and I'm going to add it to the dal. Just take around 2 tablespoons of the dal and mix it with the tadka so that you don't have lumps of the tadka in the dal. And now I'm going to add this
and mix it well. And you can see because of the Kashmiri red chilli powder, it's giving you a beautiful color. Make sure there are no lumps. Nobody leaves an Indian restaurant without trying Dal Makhani. Now since you know the recipe, do try it at home and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.